The double allows us to communicate and collaborate with one another by bringing people across the world together in one spot. We've had WebEx before, we've had other technologies, but this technology allows the user to navigate from office to office or from machine to machine.
Ease of packing up a robot or purchasing another robot and shipping it off to another facility is both cost effective and much simpler than an individual.
Before Double, we struggled a lot with our engineers to actually show them the products if they hadn't been to the site and see it themselves. Now with Double, it's easy. We let them control it and actually drive around the shop and see exactly what we're working on.
In the past, where we've had to send a person there, now the Double allows us to navigate it through the factory floor and to monitor equipment in real time.
Ability to remotely control the robot, drive it around the facility and drive up to a machine and see how the machine is running, making sure that it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. When we talk about digitizing the factory floor and being able to monitor our machines remotely, it also makes sense to visually connect to that machine. And so the Double robot gives us that ability to be able to see that machine no matter where we are.